What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech and more reviews, and this is the 1-year review of the Magic Keyboard in white. So let's talk about it. All right, so we had this for a year or so now, and this is what it looks like. This is the white version of the Magic Keyboard, and it has pretty much held up over this past year. Now, I've used this device, I would say 90% of the last year with my iPad Pro, my 12.9, and it pretty much has stood up to the test of time. If you can really just take a quick look at it, there's not any noticeable dirt. Now, I will tell you, like right around these edges, you will notice a little bit of wear, a little bit of grittiness, maybe, should I say a little bit of discoloration, but it's still not to the point to where this would warrant you not buying the white version of this device. I mean, even the microfiber on here still looks really good, still in good shape, no issues. And like I said, only really around the edges will you notice a little bit of color transfer or a little bit of change, but other than that, this thing has really held up. Now, this is probably the most of dirt or whatever that I have on here. And a lot of times you can just kind of wipe this stuff right off. I just haven't wiped it off because I wanted to show what type of color transfer is probably on here. But I have been able to wipe mostly anything that gets on here off. And that is pretty much what you are going to get. The keys have no discoloration, and I've used this while eating lunch over the years. My kids have used this. I've used this while being outside. So I think it's a really good buy. Like, a lot of people had questions, and I was one of the main ones, just to see how this thing was gonna hold up over time. And really and truly, it has withstood the test of time. Like, this whole setup, it's been pretty much white the whole time. Like I said, right around these corners, you will get a little bit of discoloration. You will get some color transfer and some dirt and things like that. Most stuff can be wiped off, but this is white and you're going to have some discoloration. But I feel like over a year's worth of time that this thing has really held up. Like, I have no issues. So I would recommend anybody, if you're worried about buying the Magic Keyboard, if you're worried about what it's gonna look like in a 3-month period, 6-month period, 9-month period, year period, I did like a 3-month update. It was nice after 3 months, and this is a year in and it still looks pretty much the same with a little wear around the edges. But that is to be expected out of a white case that's gonna go in and out of bags, go on tables, go on vacation. It has been everywhere. This thing has been to Florida, to the Bahamas, on all kinds of trips. So literally, it has withstood the last year of throwing pretty much just about everything at it, including kids and dogs and all kinds of stuff. So if you're worried about the white keyboard getting messed up, don't worry. Go out and get you a white Magic Keyboard. It does the same thing as the gray one, but it's just white. And I like it. It's held up, and Apple did a really good job of putting this thing together. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I had a lot of questions about this white keyboard, and this has been about a year in. So go by and check it out. I'll drop a link below so you can do that. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.